How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys a morning six-pack ab workout that you can do at home. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me or buying some cool fitness gear, have a look in my description box right now, you guys. So the exercises that I will be showing you, there will be 4 of them. Now here's the biggest mistake I see when people are doing ab exercises. Most people have developed 4 packs. Most people, some even have just the top 2 showing, some people the bottom 4, but it's very weird to see, or not very weird, very uncommon to see most people getting the full 6-pack abs. Now I found that the reason for that is people don't put enough effort into the lower ab exercises enough. So when I'm doing my routines, generally for beginners, intermediates, even advanced, I try to stick in more lower ab movements because generally my client is not doing the lower ab exercises at all. So this will really, if you guys aren't doing lower ab exercises, you start doing them, you will notice that the bottom 2 abs will really start to pop out. So in this video, I will show you guys 2 lower ab exercises. Then the other ones will be for your obliques, external and internal obliques, you guys. Even with the lower ab exercises, they will also hit your upper because, again, your whole abdominals is going to be your rectus abdominals. So let's get started. The first exercise that I'm going to show you guys is going to be the high knees. Now, some of you may be thinking, wow, super easy exercise. And again, I've given this to my clients too. A few of them might have been a little bit, how would I say this? A little bit confident in themselves and thought the high knees was super easy. You do this exercise for 45 seconds to a minute. If you think you can do it very easily, trust me, this exercise will demolish your lower abs, and it's very tough to do. So again, when you're doing your high knees, you want to go at a fast pace. You don't want to do slow, you want to go at a fast pace. So again, just even me doing that for like 5-10 seconds, you can see when I'm doing them, my lower abs are contracting just like that. High knees, you guys, is a phenomenal lower ab exercise. Phenomenal. If you're not doing it, I highly recommend you start doing it. Start off at 30 seconds, then each week add 10 seconds. You get to about 1 minute and 30 or 2 minutes, your lower abs are going to be very developed. So if you can do this for longer than 30 seconds, that's fine. Just do whatever you can do. And then each week add 10 seconds for that exercise. Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is going to be a hip raise. Now this exercise will train our upper abs, but it's mainly for our lower abs. So all it's going to do, it's basically going to be a reverse crunch. So a reverse crunch works our lower abs, but at the very end, what we're going to do is we're going to raise our hips. So it's going to look like this. Reverse crunch, then raise your hips. Come back down, up, raise your hips. Come back down, up, raise your hips. I guess you can kind of say it's like doing a dragonfly. And again, my back is farting. Ha. Oh. And again, this exercise, not only does that exercise work your upper abs, but it's mainly for your lower abs. Okay, you guys, that's the second exercise. The third exercise is going to be for our external obliques. So we want to hit these muscles, our side muscles, you guys. A great exercise is going to be the plank knees to elbow. So not only is this an isometric contraction for our rectus abdominis because we are in the plank position, but we're also going to be putting our knee to our elbow, so it's going to be working our external obliques as well. So again, what you want to do is you want to get into a plank position. So get on your elbows, make sure you're squeezing your glutes, your rectus abdominals is contracted, and then all we're going to do, you guys, is put our knee to our elbows like so. And this, you can feel the crunch. in your obliques. You can feel them working. Ooh. It's a phenomenal exercise. I highly recommend you guys give this one a shot. The next exercise is again going to be for obliques. It's going to be a side jackknife. So all you're going to do, you're going to get on the side like so. And all we're going to do now is we're going to raise our hips like so. And you can feel, when I do this, you can feel, you guys, and again, this arm in front of me is just for balance. You're not actually using it for anything. It's just for balance. Oh, I love the jackknife, you guys. Very good for the obliques. That is the 4 exercises. It's a little bit different. You guys may not have seen the hip raises, maybe not the plank to the knees, the high knees. Most people say that most people know about the high knees, but they generally don't see it in a lower ab routine. But this routine, you guys, will hit your lower abs, your upper abs, and your external obliques, you guys. So it covers all the ab muscles that you guys need to develop that full 6-pack abs. So end of video. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like the video, share it. Follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks, guys.